The dashboard page provides users with key performance insights for their ASICs. This page displays data through 6 widgets, each representing different performance metrics: hashrate performance, uptime, mining performance, electricity consumption and expenses, profit and loss. User can filter data based on their agreement and select a specific time period using the date picker. The data can be displayed in days, in months, and in hours, depending on the selected time frame. Each graph offers detailed insights upon hovering, allowing users to view performance data for a specific hour or day. Additionally, users have control over graph arrangement. By clicking the Configuration dashboard button, they can rearrange widgets, optimizing the layout for a more effective analysis and decision-making process. The dashboard empowers users with a comprehensive overview of their ASIC performance, with real-time data visualization, flexible filtering options, and customizable layouts. Users can easily monitor efficiency, track profitability, and optimize their mining operations.